Morning, everyone. It's Monday morning around 9:20, and this is your pre-open update. It's my video number 221. The oil has turned back down after trading 1975. It's currently about 1805, which is down about 30 cents. Not overwhelming considering the size of the gain. The gold, on the other hand, is trading around 1709, which is up about 7.5 or 8. It was as high as 1726 last night. We have the Asian markets primarily closed, Japan and China both closed, but we did get some economic information from the area. The Eurozone PMI was 33.4 versus an expected 33.6. Not a terrible number, but the comparison number was 45. Germany was 34.5. It was actually up 0.1%, but it too is a comparison at 34.5 to 45. France's was 31.5 versus 43.2. The two surprises were Italy, which had a number of 31.1, which was actually up from 30.1, although there too 40.03 was the last. And the Swiss were also up a little more substantially. Their PMI was 40.7. It was up from 31.6 and down from 43. There's really not much going on in stocks. There are a couple of Dow stocks that are lower, and as of right now, we have the Dow down about 250. It was down as much as 450 overnight. The S&Ps are down about 20. They were down about 45 overnight, and the Nas is down 68. It was actually down 162 overnight. Amazon is down another 24, which is not exceptional, and Netflix is actually up. I have the chart here on the screen of the S&P, and I wanted to show you this arrow, which I put in quite some time ago, is running right around the 2750 area. That was a consolidation before a breakdown, and it was an area that I thought might have some resistance on the way up. The first time it got there, it went straight through. On the pullback, though, it came exactly to that spot. And then we had last week's rally on Thursday and Wednesday, where we were up in that 2950 area, also an area that I thought was going to be resistance. And this morning, we are down here under 2800. These arrows with numbers on them are the crossovers of the moving averages. Number one was the 5 going through the 20. Number 2 was the 20 and the 5 moving through the 50. And number 3 was the 20 moving through the 50 again after that little pullback. I don't know how many of these we're going to be able to continue to see perform. It looks to me like we're coming right back to that arrow for support at 2740. Have a good day and be careful out there.